Taking a breather on Wednesday, but overall prices have rallied off those recent lows. Michelle Rook takes a deeper dive in Markets Now.
Welcome to Market Analysis. Jeff Hoogendoorn with Professional Ag Marketing joining us. Hogs have had quite a run off of the contract lows, Jeff. And, has that been all cash and cutout strength?
I think for the most part it has been. And, if you take a step back and look a little further back into the past year, what a crazy year. And this marketplace has got just a ton of surprises that it's thrown at us, right, throughout the last 6-9 months or so here. But if you just take a really small snippet and look at the past few weeks or maybe a month and a half or so, you'd say, well, shoot, this really looks like a very much a seasonal run, right? We've had product going up, we've had supplies going down, we've had the cash market being pretty strong, maybe not quite as strong as what we saw a year ago, especially compared to where the product has gone here in the past couple of weeks. And you dig a little deeper into it, Michelle, and like you've recognized, it's really all about the belly market, or at least it has been the last 3 or 4 days here, and that's been super seasonal as well. If you look at a belly chart, it goes straight up here in July quite often, and unfortunately the next step it takes is about straight down too as you get halfway into August or so.
So with that in mind, Jeff, where do we put some hedges on?
Well, I think, one of the things that our shop is really big on is get your winter pigs covered on the summer high. And we say that a little bit tongue in cheek because obviously we don't know when the summer high is. But I got to say, from a seasonal perspective, you got to be playing with the last couple weeks of the rally here. And that's why I made that little disclaimer in the beginning of this discussion is anything can happen. It feels like that type of year. It has been that type of year. But I just don't think you can argue with the seasonalities of the belly market, seasonalities of the cutout here. That all suggests we have to be looking really hard for some opportunities. And it's not easy.
All right, some good advice today. Thanks so much, Jeff Hoogendoorn with Professional Ag Marketing. That's Markets Now. We'll have more Ag Day coming up.